Hello guys, welcome to Trade View. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. So we have already posted post-market and pre-market videos. So please watch that videos and let me know in comments if any other questions or if you want to cover any other topics. Okay, so for Monday we already posted pre-market analysis video. Please watch that and come back to this video. This is for upcoming week. Okay, upcoming week levels. For Monday, we already posted here. Hope we have already showing here with the green and pink. Okay, already explained in the previous video. So please watch that. This is for Monday levels. So overall, for next week, I'm going to share it now. Okay, so coming to the topic, Banknifty levels. See the for the uptrend, it will be maximum once this blue line 41712. Okay, once it's broken and retracement, then it will go up to 42,000. Okay, after this 41,700 ratio. uh, so until this will be circulated here in these levels only. Okay, once broken it will be like here on this resistance and it will come back to this bottom level, so everything will happen. So for the bullish market, overall bullish market, it has to break first level of 41,700, then it will up to go to 42,000. Okay, once broken this these levels, 42, 160, 150, then only market will go up. Okay, so first level will be 41,700 ratio, like this blue line. Then it will go at around 300 points up to 42,000. Okay, so this will be the for long positions for the next week, and for short position here, once it is broken, this one, this blue line, are able to see 4401. So 4400 that ratio, these to be break until it will be reversed from here and there. Okay, once it is broken and breaking these blue lines, okay, 40,200 to 47, then market will come up to this one, 39,837. Okay, so almost 500 points. Okay, so until market will bearish here, small scalping will able to do. Okay, market can able to reverse from 4610 from this green line. Market can go up also. Hence I marked in the green. Okay, and this level that I already marked, market level can reverse it. Same thing happened on Friday. Okay, as predicted on our videos. Okay, so for the next week, bullish will be after broken this 41,700 for the overall next week. Okay, and next week and upcoming days until broke only bullish. So for bearish, after broken this green levels and this one, market can reverse from here, right? So until it need to broke 40,400 and then for 40,200 250 range, then only the bearish market will go somewhere around 400 to 500 points. Okay, so please make it down. This will be for upcoming days, like importantly for next week. Okay, so for Monday, you can check it from here. This levels I have explained in previous videos. Okay, please watch that and let me know whether you have watched this level pre-market and post-market videos, whether it is will useful for you on the trading journey. And if you have any queries or any other topics you need to know, please let me know on comments so that I can able to explain in upcoming videos. Okay, so this very importantly for beginners. Okay, if you're already on the share market, if you are doing well, please let me know your suggestions or any other changes on my videos. Okay, so this is already explained now for the next weeks. So please analyze on your own strategies, own knowledges. Okay, whether this will be useful for you or not. Okay, then you can trade on your own decisions. Don't take someone's calls or someone's predictions. That won't work on every day. Okay. So listen everyone, but analyze on your own thoughts. Okay. We'll see you on tomorrow after the market. Okay. Thank you so much.